Ale, guarda, guarda, guarda come fai, mira, guarda.
Ah, abbastanza, abbastanza.
Polizia di Stato, siamo nella zona di Molinella, qui vedete ci sono già chilometri quadrati di terreno sott'acqua. E questo è l'argine dell'Idice, lo vedete si è rotto, le fattorie sono completamente isolate.
Just a few days after Storm Boris flooded Central Europe, it struck the northeastern part of Italy.
Guardate gli alberi ammassati.
Sarà circa 2 metri abbondanti di acqua e là dove ha rotto, che si vede.
Heavy rains led to the evacuation of 1,000 residents. 2 people are missing, and many towns were submerged. Emilia-Romagna, which was devastated by a deadly flood last year.
Nell'acqua, questo era il centro abitato, siamo in quella che fino a 36 ore fa era una piazza.
Once again found itself at the epicenter of a natural disaster. In the city of Faenza, the water level in the rivers rose sharply overnight, flooding homes and streets.
Disastrosa alluvione di maggio dell'anno scorso, ora di nuovo è tutto allagato.
Many residents were forced to leave their homes in boats. This flood marked the third in 16 months. And people are in despair as their recently repaired and painted homes have been inundated with dirty water. The storm also affected the region's capital, Bologna, where river levels rose, prompting warnings about potential new floods and landslides. In Ravenna, schools, libraries, and parks have been closed, and the University of Bologna canceled exams and classes.
Qui siamo dal ponte della ferrovia. Allora, questo è Pianoro Vecchio. Questa è la situazione.
Throughout the region, roads have been damaged, and train services are severely disrupted.
Questa è la statale.
The flooding also impacted parts of the neighboring region of Marche.
Dai zio, qui gliela fai passare. No, non è andate sbattersi.
Falconera, a coastal town on the Adriatic, experienced a true deluge. 204 millimeters of rain fell in 2 days, 3 times the average for September. In the Apennine Mountains, over 300 millimeters of rainfall caused landslides. Although the rain stopped by the end of the week, the risk of new floods remains. The storm has reignited discussions about the climate crisis in Italy, which faced wildfires, droughts, and extreme heat this summer. The situation globally is becoming increasingly unpredictable. And natural disasters are occurring more frequently and destructively. Humanity could face complete collapse if urgent measures are not taken. We found information about technologies that could help mitigate the impact of these disasters in the science film Water from Air: The Path to Saving Humanity. Watch this film and share it with others. It's truly important for our future. Humanity may face total collapse if urgent measures are not taken. We found information about technologies that can help reduce the power of cataclysms in the science film Water from Air: The Path to Saving Humanity. Watch this film and share it with others. It's truly important for our future.